So how to install ID by Ammo app, your new profile. So this app suddenly got really into the top charts of the US App Store. I don't know what that is, but seems it just went viral on TikTok. You're more than a profile pic and a grid of edited photos. You're everything you wear, say, do, and love. A beautiful and chaotic mess that means you're human. ID by Ammo is a new kind of social profile that you make with your friends on a limitless board. Now grid to curate, followers to collect, or meaningless story replies, just you and the crew sharing what makes you you. Just friends. So yeah, here's the idea, and then just to install it, just tap get and then confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID. So yeah, let's just open it up. So that's how the start screen looks like. And then this app seems it's like combining collage app and also social media. Maybe you remember app there was Shuffle by Pinterest or some other collaging apps, but also it's a social media. And then you need to tap on this blue button and invite friends to get started.